Nice one. So I'm gonna show you how you can marinate your chicken and get it ready for this Sunday coming. We got only gonna have like 3 days to go, 4 days to go. So basically I'm gonna show you, we're gonna do some breadcrumbs fried chicken. First thing what we're going to do is pop some olive oil or vegetable oil on it, on the chicken. All right. Second thing, I got some mixed herb. This is good mixed herb, guys. Honestly, really nice. So what we're going to do, we're gonna pop nice, lovely, good teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of it on it. I love this one. I love the flavor and a nice taste to it. I got some thyme, fresh thyme, and all I'm going to do, just cut it up, put it on it like this. Medium size white onion. That's the white onion. Garlic. 1, 2, 4, 5 cloves of garlic. As you can see, that's 5 cloves of garlic. Finely chopped up. Spring onion. 2 of them. Gonna finally cut them up also. Really nice and lovely. Put that straight inside of it, bringing a lovely flavor to the chicken. Then 1 teaspoon of all-purpose season. 1.5 teaspoon. That's gonna be really good for that one. Chicken season. 1.5 teaspoon. Teaspoon, not tablespoon. This is a teaspoon I'm using. Don't get it confused, guys, please. Teaspoon. And also pinch of black pepper. Lovely and nice. And a pinch of mild curry powder. This is the mild one. That's only the pinch, teaspoon. Roughly about 1/2 teaspoon of it. Nice one. Then make sure you got on the gloves. And what we're going to do, we're gonna rub up the chicken. Alright? Getting all of the flavor into the chicken like this. Basically, I've been using roughly about 1 kilo of chicken. A kilo? About a kilo of chicken I've been using. Not a lot. Normally a kilo we're working out probably to about 1 pound. Other else country they use like pound, like Jamaica we say 1 pound, 2 pounds, so roughly about a pound of chicken. And I'm just using like the leg and the hip piece or the thigh. You know, yeah. But the chicken looking good so far, as I can see. We're gonna show you how to make a lovely breadcrumbs fried chicken coming this Sunday. Just want to get it sweet the right way, so it's good to use like gloves. We got some fish recipe coming up, so look forward for the fish. We got lobster, we got shrimps, we got a lot of stuff coming up about seafood. Because we're getting a lot of requests for seafood. Because a lot of my fans them keep saying I don't doing seafood recipe. But the only reason why I don't do seafood because I'm a man can't eat fish with bone. And if I cook, I wanna eat. Alright? So basically, this is how the chicken going to be look. And as you can see, we get it marinated up, looking lovely and nice. If you want me to cook it this Sunday, please write your comments below. If you want me to cook it before this Sunday, let me know. Because Chef Ricardo always doing stuff, you know. But as you can see, look at that. Really nice and beautiful, guys. Let's take off the gloves and show the fans about exactly going on in the kitchen. Alright? Look at that. Beautiful and nice. And that's exactly what we are talking about. Alright? Chicken must marinate and soak and looking good. One man said Jamaican food are the most sexiest food on the planet. Which is true. Alright? So thank you so much for tuning in and watch my show. And remember, this is the way we marinate the breadcrumbs fried chicken. Look forward for how we're going to fry it. This is how to marinate it. So you need to see how to fry it. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team. And as I say all the time, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And don't forget to give me that like, subscribe, and share the video. And tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. One love from Chef Ricardo and the team. And see you next time. Bye-bye.